entered a whole new dimension. A blank, white, empty one.
Must be the boring dimension. Let's go home.
Maybe there's an exit this way. Huh? Must have made a wrong turn. Patrick, there's no escape! There's no escape, Patrick!
Oh, I can't take it. Let me out of here.